Have you ever seen a truck that perfectly mixes classic American toughness with timeless style? Well, you're about to. The 1975 Chevrolet C10 wasn't just a pickup, it was a piece of American culture on four wheels. And today, we're taking a deep look into why this iconic truck still turns heads and holds a special place in the hearts of car lovers around the world. Welcome to Untold 765. If you love classic cars, powerful engines, and the sound of real American muscle, then you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our classic car stories. Let's go back to the mid-70s, a time when Chevy ruled the roads with strength and style. The 1975 Chevrolet C10 came out during the third generation of Chevrolet's CK series, and it was all about simplicity, durability, and bold design. Back then, trucks were more than just tools for work, they were companions for life. The C10 became a symbol of hard work, pride, and reliability that people could depend on every single day. Under the hood, the 1975 C10 offered a range of engine options that defined the era of raw power. You could get a straight 6 engine for reliability or step up to a V8 for pure muscle. Many owners went for the small block 350 cubic inch V8, which produced a strong punch of power and that deep, satisfying rumble that every truck fan loves to hear. The 1975 model also introduced improved engineering. Chevy refined the suspension for a smoother ride and better handling, making the C10 not just tough but comfortable too. Whether you were hauling heavy loads or cruising down an open highway, the C10 felt confident and steady. It was one of those trucks that could do it all: farm work during the week and family trips on the weekend. And let's talk about the design. The 1975 C10 had that unmistakable square body style that fans still adore today. Its bold lines, wide stance, and large front grille gave it a commanding look. The chrome accents and simple yet strong body shape made it an instant classic. Even decades later, restorers and collectors hunt for this model because its design never goes out of fashion. It's pure 1970s Americana, built strong, built to last, and built to impress. Inside, the C10 offered a cabin that was functional yet surprisingly comfortable. You'd find soft bench seats, easy-to-read gauges, and controls that were straightforward and durable. It wasn't luxury, but it had charm, a reflection of a time when trucks were made for real drivers who valued strength and purpose over fancy gadgets. What really made the 1975 Chevrolet C10 stand out was its dependability. Chevy trucks earned their reputation by being nearly indestructible, and this model proved it every day on farms, job sites, and highways across America. It was a machine people trusted, and many of these trucks are still running strong today, nearly 50 years later. Over time, the C10 became more than just transportation, it became a statement. Car enthusiasts began customizing these trucks, lowering them, restoring them, and adding modern touches while keeping that classic heart alive. The C10 community is still huge, with fans sharing stories and showing off their beautifully restored machines at shows and online. There's something about the 1975 Chevrolet C10 that brings back memories of a simpler time, when vehicles were built with pride and designed to last generations. It's more than steel and chrome, it's a story of American craftsmanship, hard work, and the joy of driving something real. If you enjoyed this look back at the 1975 Chevrolet C10, make sure to like this video and share it with other classic car fans. And don't forget to subscribe to Untold 765 for more stories about the world's most iconic cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.